That's a dead man. That's a dead man. That's a dead man. Damn, he got.
Why you stressing? Putting in that work, so I'm investing. Baby, let's have fun. I'm not done it. Bring your best friend. Why you flexing? I ain't happy.
Choppers out in trap right now. Prefer my bitches rap. I fuck them like a savage.
I've seen him do it.
Supreme 35 years, bitch, real tail 50. I know I couldn't put 7 in the woods, so I wrote and grab and leave. That's all I could've grabbed me a clout this is. Probably could've grabbed with me. Hell Mary, run quick see. But you don't have him.
Yeah, I got it. You sent me a message, right? Alright. Whoa.
Yo, what's good? We just made it to the gun range. These are countdown, man. Countdown for these are. That's a dead man. That's a dead man. Woo. That's a dead man. That's a dead man. That's a dead man. Damn, you got lucky once. That's a dead man walking. That's a dead man walking. Woo. Oh shit. Oh shit. I ain't gonna lie.
Okay. Man, he dead already.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't know.
But he dead.
That nigga probably made it. You gotta finish him off, bro.
I got you. Say less.
I think that nigga probably made it. Let's see. It's not good. Line him up. I call this nigga. You doing worse than me. What type of backup is that?
Man, he's dead, man. He's dead. Yo, look.
He dead?
He's dead.
Yeah. Okay. No, I think he just paralyzed, bro.
For live, yo, put the weights down, look at it.
That nigga paralyzed from that side. Bro, I think that nigga made it, bro.
Look down, Tim, show you.
I think that nigga just paralyzed, bro.
He's dead, right? Look, he's dead.
Yeah. That nigga paralyzed. You wanna? That's how you step on niggas. Look, I'm stepping on niggas.
Hold on.
This how you step on niggas.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? That's how I step on niggas. I step on you bitch ass nigga.
But now we can get more. We get more targets and more ammo.
Alright, yeah.
That's the nigga you got a pistol with.
There you go.
You survived? No. That nigga survived, bro.
Come on, man, do a Z-Walk. Come on.
I forgot how to do it, man. She's right there.
I can cuss, pussy nigga, you can't pop it like us. 30 mag in my jeans, it's took 100,000 cash.
What the fuck?
Turning out the LA bitches to sweats, sticking this break ain't doing no goods.
I feel like I was gonna move and it was gonna hurt.
Huh?
Bro, like, I made it late and he's like, you don't got time for that shit. I was like,
Yeah, I do.
no.
I'm getting something similar to that one right there.
This one?
Yeah, but I want like the
Like a-
hand.
Wait,
Yeah,
what?
Okay,
that's
yeah.
what I want right here.
That, bro,
That shit fire.
some spots are like, you'll feel
hold
it.
on.
And some
Yeah.
spots you.
Yes, sir. I put that as far behind your ear as possible for it.
Oh,
The last one,
hell
you
yeah.
got to
Actually, yeah, I actually got a Zoom meeting with one of them tomorrow.
That way they ready. You got to test the waters.
What the hell, son?
What would he say?
Hold on, I got nose ring.
LA? Yeah, Red Ink looks good.
Huh?
Oh no. My cousin was getting a tattoo. Yeah. He getting a tattoo.
What? At your house or you at his house?
Oh no, I'm doing it for him.
What?
Yeah, I do tattoos now.
Bro, stop lying. Stop fucking up that shit up if you doing that, bro.
Nah, I'll fuck with you. Nah, with a tattoo shop.
You know, tattoo shop?
Yeah.
What you get?
What you got, Sonny?
Angel numbers.
Angel's number.
It's a wrap. That shit hard.
Let me see what I mean.
What get a girlfriend?
There you go. Yeah, that's a good one too.
You were about to get Rebecca ass tattoos, man.
Oh hell no! I told her to get my name tattooed though.
Yeah, hell no, I ain't doing
You
that
told her to
shit.
get your name tattooed.
Tap in.
I don't know how to get these hoes.
That shit's hard, bro.
Yeah, I fuck with that. Damn, that shit made me want to get more neck tats.
Oh no, I'm next.
Alright, get in the chat, boy.
Yeah.
Oh no. This week for sure.
Bro, you lying, bro. Now it made me want to get the big piece, bro. But I'm not ready.
I think you ready.
And you get the wrong coochie and that's what happened.
Okay, I love bro. We see yeah.
Alright, man. That's what you should do.
Alright.
Practicing, man. Challenge, man.
Yeah, peace, bro. Yeah.
See you.
Yeah, see you.
I'm gonna have to shoot by tonight or tomorrow, first thing morning.
So the words between your legs ain't on your feet for a
Come on.
Slide.
Oh God. Okay.
I'm editing tonight.
I know where Leisure. Come on. Oh, we up. Oh, let's go. We up.
Rudy boy.
You heard me?
Damn, Rudy boy don't fell off.
Slide, man.